we're out here at the building again. We've got a little project here that we've got to do. And if anybody can notice right offhand what I'm missing in that picture, but it don't worky without a string. I got a couple of tools. Let's see if we can start with this. This is 3/8. Oh, wrong one. Oh, 5/16. I guess you can see that. Okay. I'm gonna hook the throttle cable. I'll set that down in this tray. Let that hang. Looks like I don't think I have to take that off. Might help if I do. Looks like it's broken anyway. Ooh. Filter could use some loving. All right. It's like we just have two holding this cover on. Man, those tires been on there for a while. What do we got going on here? Alright, got the cover off. What size are we looking for now? 3/8. Where'd it go? There it is. I got one more in there somewhere. Yep. Oh, need some pliers. Maybe it'll fall off now. Okay. See that? No worky. There's your knot right there. Okay. Counterclockwise. I don't know how many turns though. It's gotta go counterclockwise. Let me go get a screwdriver, something to hold that in place after I wind it. Another thing is, oh, it's already got a pull cord on it. I don't know how long this rope needs to be. It says universal. Cut new cord to correct length. Well, we don't know what the correct length is on this thing. So we're going to be guessing. Because the cord was short in the first place. I think what we'll do is we will go ahead and wind this up a little bit tight. We're just guessing. It's going to pull it back in. I'm just guessing on the spring based off the way the spring feels in there. So let's go 6. That's common sense, maybe. I'm gonna lock this in at 6. Let's see if I can get this knotted in here. Oh, don't fall out. I don't know if you can find out what I'm, see what I'm doing. Let me check the camera. This is where I'm pulling my string through the outside. Got to feed it in there and knot it. So let's see if we can get this. That bushing looks like it's cutting it. Ooh, it may be cutting it. I don't know. This old machine's wore out though. So anyway, I'm going to try to feed it through that hole. Oh, there we go. See? I got her through there. I guess got it on camera. So now I'm going to double knot this, hopefully. See if that'll hold it. Wow. Probably put that a little bit too deep on that string. Let me take it all the way out to the string. I might put another one. Let's see how. Oops, camera hit. Okay, there's where I'm at. So now I'm going to release this. Let's see where I'm at. Don't want to put too much string on it. Alright, it's pretty loose there. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it right there. See if I can get this pulled through. Not this. I'm gonna go ahead and double knot this. Don't know why, but I'm doing it. It may not fit in that hole after I do that. We'll see. Alright. Alright. Strings on it. Make sure your dogs are in there. See, when you flip it, when you pull it, the dogs come out. They should. See them fall out? I'm calling these white things the dogs. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Then they grab your crank here and throw the meat to it. See if we can get this back up in here without too much effort. There we go. fuel. Got fuel in it. I've got a fuel issue. It's not one to run. So I'm going to pull this fuel line off. I don't know if you can see it or not. But it's right back here. This blue line right here. See if I could get that off. It says the fuel's on now, but you never know. I'm going to shut it off. Work it line off. Then all right, we're back. See if you can see everything. Yeah, somewhat. Then put some gas in it. That should be enough to get it started, I hope. Let's turn it on. Back up, give it a few shots. See if it'll run. Come on, here we go. Gotcha. All right. see if it'll restart. About 10 minutes left on my charge here. It shows off. Didn't start. Alright, see if it started back up. I'm going to call that the end of this video. We'll see you next time.